In any content area in Canvas, you have the ability to embed images that are located or can be added to the course files. This tutorial will show you a quick way to embed images into your content. Go to the Canvas syllabus, page, assignment, quiz, or discussion in which you wish to place your image in. Click on the Edit button on the top right corner. In the Rich Content area, place your cursor at the point where you want your image to appear. It is advised that the image is placed on its own line. In the toolbar, click on the drop-down arrow next to the image icon. Right now, we are going to upload a new image, so click on the menu option, Upload Image. Once you have clicked on Upload Image, a pop-up menu will appear. You can either click in the Upload Image box to have the browser window appear so you can navigate to and select the image, or you can drag and drop the image file in the box. In the Alt Text field, you will want to insert a meaningful description of the image. This step is important for making the image accessible according to the University of Minnesota's Accessible Use Standards. A link for more information can be found in the video description. Leave the display option as Embedded Image so that the image actually appears on the page. Display Text Link will create a link based on the image's file's name, and the students will have to view it by clicking on the link and seeing it in a new window. When done, click on the blue Submit button in the bottom right corner of the pop-up menu. Then, the image should appear where the cursor was placed in the Rich Content Editor field. If the image was already uploaded, to avoid uploading potential duplicates of the image, you should choose Course Images from the Image menu. Then, a menu on the right will appear showing a list of images that exist in the course files. All you need to do is click on the image and it will show up embedded in the content area. With your image placed, you will notice that the text is not wrapping around the image. To make the text wrap around the image, you will need to navigate to Design Tools by clicking on the rocket navigation bar at the top right of the page. With the Design Tools menu open, select the drop-down menu arrow for Current Element Style, then the drop-down menu arrow for Image Size Position Style. You will want to select the image you are wanting to align by clicking on it in the content area. You will know it has been selected when the image shows up in the Image Style area of the Design Tools menu. Click on either the left or right alignment button located to the right of Image Alignment. You will now see the image aligned to the left or right as you have chosen, and the text wrapped around the image. As always, when editing content, remember to click on the blue Save button at the bottom to complete your changes to your content. Please check out our faculty resource site for more tutorials as well as how to reach out to ATD with any questions or assistance needs you may have. Thanks for watching.